All right, I'm gonna go. Oh, you should see the cliff over here. Just breathe. This is actually the risky bit. I've lost signal. I can hardly. Ow! Ow! There's a gorse bush right there. You stick your hand on it. Yeah. Well, get vaccinated, people. This is the DJI FPV drone, or quad. What I've discovered is if you get into the hobby, no one calls them drones, they call them quads.
Quads, yeah.
With a K.
Yeah.
So they can't spell. Let's just explain what an FPV drone is. Quad is. Hold up nice and close.
We'll get that.
So, I mean,
there's a
they
lot
just
of
look
tech.
so DIY,
Yeah.
so full of wires, and so like it's going to explode at any minute.